How to upgrade your YouTube TV plan step by step. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to upgrade your YouTube TV plan. This usually refers to adding premium channels or the 4K Plus add-on to your existing base subscription. Let's find out how to do it. To upgrade your YouTube TV plan by adding premium channels or the 4K Plus add-on, you'll need to use a web browser on a computer or mobile device. You generally cannot make these changes directly through the YouTube TV app on most smart TVs or streaming devices. Open your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Make sure you are logged in to the Google account that has your current YouTube TV subscription. Once logged in, click on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section related to your membership or add-ons. It might be labeled Membership, Add-ons, or Purchases and Memberships. Click on this option. On this page, you will see details about your current YouTube TV base plan. Below your current plan information, there should be a section listing available premium channels or add-on networks that you can subscribe to. To upgrade your plan by adding one of these, browse through the list. When you find a premium channel such as HBO Max, Showtime or Stars, or the 4K Plus add-on that you want to add, click on it. You will see details about the add-on, including the additional monthly cost. If you decide to add it, click on a button like Add to Membership or Start Free Trial if a trial is offered. You may be asked to confirm your purchase and payment details. Review the information and confirm the addition. The cost of the premium channel or 4K Plus add-on will be added to your monthly YouTube TV bill. The new channels or features will become available to you almost immediately within the YouTube TV app on all your devices. You can manage and remove these add-ons from the same membership settings page on the YouTube TV website. We hope this step-by-step guide helped you upgrade your YouTube TV plan by adding premium channels or the 4K Plus add-on. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful guides.